You point, where is it? Oh yeah. Oh, what else do you see? Oh, it's a camel.
Oh, this one is a big dog.
Wow. Oh yeah, it's a big dog. Wow. Where's the big dog?
Dad.
Huh?
This is the one.
This one. Look, it's a giraffe, Mom. Let's see.
Maganda yan sa ano, sa...
Oh, look at this. Look at this horse. This one.
Tocador sa
Quink, 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 quink. You do it.
pang display.
You do this.
Tama kaya?
Whoa. Let's find more. Look, there's an elephant.
Maganda yan pang display.
What is this?
Display naman.
What is that?
Dinosaur.
Oh, is it a dinosaur? Oh yeah, that's a dinosaur. Oh, let's go.
Dad.
What is it? What do you see?
Mirror.
Oh, mirrors.
Dad,
Hmm.
look at this.
Wow.
This is a turtle and this one is a bird.
Oh, yeah.
And this one is a reindeer truck.
Wow.
Dad, this one is a fish.
Oh.
Oh, this one is an alligator.
Wow.
This one is the mom.
Look, these are chests. Wow. Ate Pen will be so happy if she saw this. Or have this. Wow. Look at the pieces. Wow. Bato. Galing, oh. Oh?
I want to play this.
Really? Wow. Itong ganda, oh.
Wow.
So maganda. Maganda.
Oh my God. Dad, I want this. Daddy.
Oh, don't take it up. You put it back there. Yes? What is that? What is it?
Mommy, what is that?
It's I think it's a cheetah?
Tiger?
A tiger? Ooh. Oh, Isa, what is this? What is this? What? It's a trumpet. I think this is a record player. Yeah, for the song. See, you put the record here.
Yeah. Oh, there's so many bracelets.
Oh, there's one more small.
Dad,
Look.
and Dad.
Ah, so cute.
And look at this.
And this one, see? Wow. Oh, come on.
Daddy, which one do I choose this one?
Hmm.
I know. I can choose this.
Oh, you want that? That's expensive. I think it's expensive. Uy, huwag mo sipain yan. La. Kagat yan, nangangagat yan. Sabi mo? Look at this place, huh? We are at Alsif Antique Store. Wow.
Turista.
Mommy, what is that? This one.
Let's go around. Let's go. Lunch. We eat noodles.
Sama mo kami na. Sama mo. Say hi to Daddy.
Hi.
Sir, bag heavy?
Wow.
pala ito sa pintuan, pambukas sa pinto.
Oo nga, ano? Hello? Yes?
Picture mo kami. Picture mo kami tumaan.
Yes? Wow! What is it? What is this? Wait, Seb. A crystal.
A crystal.
Yeah. Wow, is it nice?
Yeah. Oh, you can eat a broken crystal.
Yeah. Oh, be careful. You put it down gently, okay?
Dad, I like this.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Dad, you can fly down.
Yeah.
And we fix it?
Hmm?
Fix this?
Yeah.
Fix this?
Yes, they fixed it.
Okay,
Ooh, thank you for fixing. Look.
What?
What is this animal?
It's an elephant.
Huh?
It's an elephant.
Oh, how about this one? What's this animal?
That animal?
This one.
That is the animal?
Oh, let's fix this also.
Dad, you can get his arm.
Wow, look at this. Whoa, what is it?
Snake.
Ooh, it's a cobra. Oh, what is that?
What's that?
What is that animal?
Dolphin.
Dolphin? Whoa. Oh, let's go. Mommy's there. Oh, she left. They left us. Let's go. Let's go. Say hi. Hi. High five. Let's go. Oh, what is that? I don't know.
Mommy.
Oh, look. There's a lot of spices here. Look. Different spices. Wow. God.
Look at this flower.
Oh, it's flowers. Where is it?
Ito yung pinapainit.
Wow.
Buto, no?
That's nice.
Isip, sa
Ginagamit pala.
papakuluan.
Let's go.
What's this one? This one's salt pa rin. Salt na sir. And the white one, tawas for kilikili.
Tawas for the kilikili. Mommy, stop.
What's that? It's a pouch.
What do you want?
Oh, what is that? You ask Uncle, what is it?
Take picture. Yes, it's nice. We take picture.
Oh, sure. Oh. Oh, smile. Oh, oh, your friend. Oh, what do you say?
Action. Again, like this, again. Yes.
Okay, let's go. Thank you, brother. Yeah.
This is smaller, am I? So 1 minute, I will show you smaller.
Dad.
Let's go. Mommy's there. Huh? Oh, there's a mirror. Here. Hi. Hi, Dad. You shout again. Wow, ganda. Oh, pose. Picture. Let's go.
Go.
Sakto-sakto sa kanya.
Really? Yeah, it's just flying. Let's go.
Come on. Either look at me.
What is it?
Whoa.
Whoa! What animal is that?
Animal?
Hmm?
Animal.
Camel. Oh, let's go. Oh, look at the pillow. There's a pillow cat. Ah, so nice.
So cutie.
Let's go.
Okay, come on.
Model?
Okay. Let's go here. Hi! This is our seat. Look at mommy. Indian seat, not Japanese seat. And daddy is Filipino seat. Filipino seat. Isa. Wow. Is it nice here? Yeah, it's nice here, but there's not much stable for us. So, bye-bye. Asa?
Daddy, so we have to.
Dito? Gusto mo dito? Okay lang. Smile. Hi. Hi, Sebi. Hi. Hi, Isa.
Hi.
Mickey Love beef.
Ito na non-spicy. Ito na yung may
Yun. Thank you.
Wow! Everybody, dapat yung pick camera nandito. Pahirap pa.
Okay, picture tayo. What you're going to eat?
Spicy. We're not gonna be a good one.
Wow, you will eat spicy? Whoa. But now you will not eat, no? You eat the egg noodles? Wow. Oh. Wow. And also, Sebi? Huh?
Pag nasa mood siya, mag-pray.
Ganda ng stop na lang.
Bago ka napunta sa maganda, talagang dumaan ka muna.
Yeah. Very long.
Pero ayos ang sabit na posisyon. Kailangan
Baba.
bottom siya.
Nakaman.
Mataas.
Pwede ka umangat dyan.
Nakamatataas yun. Ang ina-hire nila, headset lang. Headset, saka opo. Ang papa, okay?
Ay, may sleep na ikaw? Nag-work ka? Hinahabol ka na ng motor.
Isa, say hi. Isa.
Babae ba yun? Masyado siyang depende.
Is that your coffee?
Secretary. Dapat sinabi mo na yun doon pa. Hindi pa tayo nagkikita. I-vlog mo na. Naisip ko. What time? Drink.
Ganun pala. Marunong na mag-face open.
Isa! Whoa! Wow! So many boats!